Even beginners can learn the easiest way to make money online in 2019, 2020 or any year. This is the easiest way to earn money online. It's so easy that a beginner can do it. Visit my free seminar link at the end of this video. I'm the beginner who quit his 9-to-5 to cash in online. Where else can you make money from the comfort of your home or on vacation? I am offering you this free seminar because I understand that you might be skeptical about making money online. But I will reveal all my secrets and techniques that made me over 100K a month online. Imagine that the online thing you needed for your job is a laptop. This online job only takes an hour a day. Imagine getting paid 100K a month just from promoting links for an hour online. Now I know that everyone is not computer savvy, but by introducing you to my free seminar it will eventually become the easiest thing that you ever have done to make money. If you don't believe me, just watch me demonstrate it for free at the following link: https://t2m.io/sfxkbdj7.